Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Hey all, welcome back and great to see you again, and welcome to our new subscribers. Thank you for joining our channel. I hope you get to enjoy this, and don't forget to tell a friend. Guys, this week's recipe is absolutely a beauty. We're gonna do little sticky baby back ribs. We're gonna get a slab of ribs, we're gonna have it cut in half by the butcher, then we're gonna cut it individual little ribs, and we're gonna cook it in this fantastic sauce of sweetness, sour, and spicy. It is absolutely great. Once you make a bowl of these for your family and friends, you know what? They're gonna ask you for a second bowl. Guys, sit back, let me show you how we cook these. That was a beauty. I love this recipe. Let me tell you, every time I make it at home, I put the bowl on the table. By the time I get back to the table, they're gone. Make sure you make extra one for your family and friends. Otherwise, you'll be left without it. Guys, if you try this recipe, don't forget to give me some feedback. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you've adjusted anything. I love it as is, but you might want to change it. It's up to you. Once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe underneath and make sure you ring that bell so that way when we post, you'll be notified right away. Once again, thank you for being on board. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome on board. Tell your friends, and we'll see you guys next week. I think we have a guest. We'll let you know next week. Bye-bye.